If you are thinking about buying a lightweight drone right now, freeze and drop everything because a massive wave of internal industry leaks just completely exposed DJI's next flagship sub-249-gram masterpiece, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. Welcome back to Tap Tech, and today we are breaking down a massive hardware shift that is changing the consumer drone market forever. We have concrete data from the supply chain revealing a blueprint that pushes ultralight flight boundaries completely into the professional realm. The details we have uncovered are absolutely mind-blowing. And if you stay with us until the very end of this video, you will see exactly how DJI has managed to squeeze enterprise-grade tech into a frame that requires absolutely zero registration or strict global aviation permits. Let's talk about the single biggest upgrade that is going to make every single content creator want to upgrade their current setup: the sensor. For years, the Mini series has been stuck on smaller imaging platforms, but the supply chain blueprints show the Mini 6 Pro is officially jumping to a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. A stacked sensor design means the readout speed is incredibly fast, which completely deletes rolling shutter and that ugly jello distortion when you are flying fast or banking hard in high winds. But DJI didn't stop there. They are pairing this giant sensor with a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 all the way down to f11. If you are a filmmaker, you know exactly how historic this is for a sub-249-gram drone. You will no longer have to manually clip on physical filters every time the sun hides behind a cloud. The drone can dynamically adjust its aperture on the fly to maintain the perfect shutter speed for flawless cinematic motion blur. This brings us directly to the video capabilities, which are leaps and bounds ahead of anything else on the market. The Mini 6 Pro is officially stepping into the world of 6K resolution at 60 frames per second. Shooting in 6K gives you the ultimate flexibility to crop in, reframe, or digitally stabilize your footage in post-production without losing a single pixel of crisp, ultra-high-definition clarity for your final 4K export. For the slow-motion enthusiasts, the internal specs confirm 4K recording at a blistering 120 frames per second. Imagine capturing crashing ocean waves, mountain bikers, or high-speed drifting cars in buttery smooth 4K slow motion from an ultralight drone. Combine that with DJI's native 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles, and you have a powerhouse that matches the color grading flexibility of professional cinema hybrid cameras. Now, you might be wondering how DJI is keeping a massive 1-inch sensor and a variable aperture mechanism cool inside such a tiny body without pushing the drone past that strict legal weight limit. The answer lies in a completely redesigned aerodynamic chassis. The leaked schematics reveal aggressive front-facing ventilation intakes and vented brushless motors. This design pulls air directly through the internal mainboard and gimbal housing during forward flight, keeping thermal throttling at bay even when you are filming in scorching summer heat. Furthermore, the upgraded motors feature a higher magnetic density, providing a massive boost in structural propulsion and pushing the wind resistance rating up to scale 6, meaning this tiny drone can hold its position flawlessly in winds up to 31 miles per hour. But what good is a professional camera if you crash it into a tree branch? This is where the Mini 6 Pro introduces its most revolutionary safety feature yet: Nightscape LiDAR technology. Traditional optical obstacle avoidance sensors are great during a bright sunny day, but the moment dusk hits or you try to fly through a dark forest canopy, those cameras go blind. The Mini 6 Pro is breaking ground by integrating an array of miniaturized laser-based LiDAR units on the top, front, and belly of the aircraft. LiDAR maps the environment by emitting millions of invisible laser pulses per second, constructing a highly accurate, real-time, three-dimensional point cloud of the drone's surroundings. This means the Mini 6 Pro will have millimeter-precise omnidirectional obstacle avoidance in pitch-black darkness. You can execute complex autonomous tracking shots at midnight or navigate tight indoor warehouse spaces with absolute peace of mind. Speaking of tracking, the AI processing core onboard this drone has received a massive hardware injection. The system uses deep learning algorithms to not only track your subject, but actually predict their movement path. If you are tracking a snowboarder who disappears behind a dense cluster of pine trees, the AI calculates their speed and trajectory, holding the camera frame exactly where they are about to emerge, instead of losing the lock and canceling the flight route. Let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. Usually, adding a larger sensor, variable aperture, LiDAR lasers, and a faster AI processor would completely drain a standard lithium-ion cell in 15 minutes. To combat this, DJI is reportedly introducing a game-changing high-density, solid-state battery chemistry for their Intelligent Flight Plus variants. Solid-state technology holds significantly more energy per gram compared to traditional lithium polymer cells. According to the internal documents, the standard flight battery will easily push past 45 minutes, while the solid-state plus battery pushes flight times up to an unprecedented 60 minutes on a single charge. A full hour of flight time from a drone that fits in your jacket pocket completely rewrites the rules of aerial filmmaking. For social media managers and mobile-first creators, DJI is retaining its iconic true vertical shooting mode. The physical gimbal can rotate a full 90 degrees, allowing the massive 1-inch sensor to shoot native, uncropped vertical video for premium platforms. The transmission system is also getting upgraded to the DJI O4 HD video transmission platform, utilizing a triple-band antenna array that delivers a pristine, lag-free 180p live feed at 60 frames per second from up to 5 miles away in open territory, ensuring your signal remains rock-solid even in crowded urban environments congested with heavy Wi-Fi interference. So, when can you actually get your hands on this beast? And how much is it going to cost your wallet? The leaked global launch roadmap points to an official reveal window in the fourth quarter of 2026, positioned perfectly for the global holiday shopping rush. Because of the premium enterprise tech like LiDAR and the stacked 1-inch sensor, pricing will see a minor adjustment. The base package, which includes the drone and the standard RCN3 smartphone controller, is expected to start at $899. However, the package everyone will want is the premium Fly More combo, which is rumored to include the new DJI RC Pro 2 controller with a built-in high-brightness screen, 2 solid-state plus batteries, a multi-device charging hub, and a premium leather carrying case, coming in at a premium tier of $1,499. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notifications, because we are tracking this supply chain data around the clock. And the moment the official pre-order configurations drop, we will be covering it first right here on TapTech. Drop a comment below letting us know if you think that 1-inch sensor and variable aperture are enough to make you upgrade from your current setup, or if you are going to hold out even longer. Thank you for watching the entire breakdown. Keep your eyes on the skies, and we will see you in the very next tech update.